How would you like to make a healthy, chunky hazelnut chocolate spread that takes just 5 minutes? So this recipe contains just 4 ingredients: hazelnuts, preferably organic, Himalayan sea salt, sweetened condensed coconut milk, and cacao powder. So place the hazelnuts in a bowl, crush them. You can use a rolling pin. Best still is a food processor. Just pound those up. You don't want them too small. Nice and chunky gives the spread texture. Then just add your salt. Put in your cacao powder. Sweetened condensed coconut milk. And once you've got that all folded together, that is it. I store mine in a jar with a lid and just keep it in the fridge, and it keeps for a few weeks. So there you have it. A healthier hazelnut spread that doesn't contain that cheap, unhealthy vegetable fat and processed sugars. And better still, you won't feel guilty from needing or wanting something sweet.